Today I thought I'd give you an example of an Autobody toolbox, how to organize it efficiently, and sort of let you know that it can be kept simple, and this is really all you need to do almost any job and work in any body shop. Up top I have some stickers, some older emblems. This is my first car, a Charger, my dad, some putties and glues, magnetic stuff, magnetic bits, Phillips and straight and all that kind of stuff, and a couple of old toys from my kid. On the very top I have the ratchets, all the sockets, real handy, extensions, breaker bar, and then some random sockets, reducers, and so on. For the drawers on the top box, I have it set up exactly the way my dad had it set up. Metric wrenches on the left, random stuff in the middle, standard on the right, screwdrivers, next drawer down, all pliers or anything that you can grip with your hands right there, and then air ratchets, impact wrenches, and so on. For the bottom box, again, this is my dad's old box, but I have it set up just like he had it. Random tools here, all kinds of specialty stuff, just random, and I didn't clean it up at all. These are all bits, some old lug nuts, all kinds of stuff, punches, here's some more punches, drill bits, driver bits, random stuff, ratchet parts, all kinds of stuff that'll fit in a real shallow drawer, and separators. Next, we have torque wrenches, long drivers, long pliers. Again, a little bit random, but all stuff that fits and that I use very often right here in a shallow drawer. Next is the hammer drawer, and this is really all the Autobody tools. Big hammers, rubber hammers, pry bars, scissors, body hammers, some cutting tools, tin snips, scissors. And then over here we have some files, and just basically files and cheese grater blades. The next drawer says drill, but it's all your tools that you use for body work, like die grinders, drills, air hammers. This is an angle drill, belt sander, mini DA. You have a lot of die grinders with different bits, so you can just grab one and go. And this is a metal nibbler. So that's that drawer. Then these are all your special tools, mostly mechanic stuff, but all special tools for mechanical and even auto body. The bottom drawer is usually all your sanding tools, air files, hand blocks, small 5-inch rubber block, small grinder, bondo hog, DAs, and a larger grinder. Of course, on the walls in my garage I do have all frame tools and other random tools like that. Stuff that's really too big or too cumbersome for a toolbox. So I hang everything else on the walls. Here's another example of that. The paper machines hung up there and other tools. And one more example of everything off the floor and on the walls so that you can still work in a small garage. I hope you enjoyed this video on my toolbox and how you can keep it simple yet efficient. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.